In Nigeria's political landscape, court decisions often carry implications that extend beyond legal interpretation, shaping questions of leadership, control, and party direction. For members of the New Nigerian People's Party (NNPP), Wednesday's judgment in Abuja represents more than a legal resolution. It signals a decisive moment in a prolonged internal dispute that has strained the party's structure and tested its cohesion. The court ruling reportedly restored control of the party to its recognized leadership, dealing a setback to a rival faction linked to Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso. Party stakeholders described the decision as a critical step towards reclaiming the party's identity and organizational stability.
NNPP! New Nigeria! New Nigeria!
Speaking after the ruling, the party's founder, Dr. Boniface Aniebonam, said the development has already triggered renewed interest in the party nationwide. He disclosed that he received calls from across Nigeria shortly after the judgment, with many expressing willingness to align with the party ahead of the 2027 general elections. According to him, the internal crisis, largely driven by prolonged legal disputes, created uncertainty that affected the party's stability and influenced key political decisions.
So now, where we are, we have won court cases in Abia, in Abuja, and others against him. But then, Nigerian factor is always there. All right? Then we have to check out another channel by approaching the court for Manda Musoda. Manda Musoda is a compelling order. It is this Manda Musoda that they came and joined as an interested party. I told our lawyer to allow him to join. Don't stop. So that we'll defeat him there again. Now, yesterday we have defeated him. The court made an order and said that NNPP must be uploaded to INEC's national server within 72 hours. And as I'm here, I'm told even before I came out here that they were struggling in court to file what is called stay of what? Execution. We are not scared. Yes. We will meet them in Supreme Court. Yes.
Cited the case of the governor of Kano State, who distanced himself from the party amid escalating court cases, describing the move as an act of self-preservation. Efforts to resolve the conflict through dialogue, he noted, were unsuccessful due to disagreements over due process and internal party procedures. He alleged that certain actions, including the dissolvation of the party structure, were carried out without adherence to constitutional provisions, further deepening the crisis. The dispute eventually led to multiple legal battles across different courts, culminating in the latest judgment in Abuja.
And at the end of the day, I found out that yes, Kwankwaso is very much aware of all this. Then a battle line. I'm okay. So we are there for the past 2 years. Resources, contacts available to them, but they are not God.
Dr. Aniebonam stated that the court has directed the restoration of the party's leadership and mandates compliance within a specified time frame. He also acknowledged ongoing attempts by the opposing faction to challenge the ruling, including moves to secure a stay of execution, but expressed confidence in the judicial process, noting that the party is prepared to pursue the matter to the Supreme Court if necessary. Beyond the legal victory, the NNPP leadership views the ruling as a foundation for rebuilding and repositioning the party. The founder retaliated that the party's origins are rooted in the advocacy effort linked to the National Association of Governments Approved for the NAGAF, emphasizing that its formation was driven by the need to influence governance through political participation. He maintained that the party remained committed to expanding its political presence and encouraging members to seek elective positions across all levels of government. To mark the development, party members, supporters, and stakeholders gathered on Wednesday, March 18, 2026 at the NAGAF headquarters in Lagos, where they celebrated the court's victory and reaffirmed their commitment to unity and rebuilding. My name is Geraldine Anyanwu, reporting for NAGAF Cargo Watch. For more interesting stories from the maritime sector, like, comment, share, and do not forget to subscribe.